Race. Biden's in. Trump in the Republican field squaring off. And Mike Pence takes the stand Sunday morning on ABC's This Week.
Three-time Tony Award winner Broadway legend Cheetah Rivera next to Everett Hall.
A good Saturday morning. It is a few minutes before 5 a.m. This is a live look this morning down in Orange County. Let's get a first check of your weather forecast with Tony Cabrera.
Good morning, Mark and Irene. It's been a while since we've all been together. I don't know if I can do this. I forgot. It's been so long. But let's look at downtown LA right now. 57 degrees. So it's a cool start to our morning. Not too chilly, but you can see that there is some low cloud coverage and some fog out there with the marine layer. Going to be a little bit deeper than it was yesterday. Here's a view over LAX, 55 degrees, and that visibility is down right now. You can't really see much except what's right in front of the camera there. And as far as temperatures across Southern California, at the freezing point at Big Bear, 32 degrees. Not too bad over Wrightwood, 51. Santa Clarita, 55 degrees right now. And then in the LA metro area, we see Hawthorne at 58 degrees and out towards Covina, 53 degrees. These clouds, they're, like I said, going a little bit more deeper than they were yesterday. So a lot of coverage today. It will, like yesterday, take a while to clear along the coast. So by about noontime, we should see that sunshine for most of us. But the coastal spots, it could be pretty stubborn and just stick around all day like we saw yesterday in some areas. Now, we are talking about warmer temperatures today compared to this entire week. So it looks like today's going to be the warmest day as this ridge of high pressure is bringing those temperatures. Now, it really depends on those marine layer clouds, too. If they stick around a little bit we're going to start to see temperatures drop. We're going to have makes its way south towards Southern California, and the timing of this is still in the air, and how much rain is still in the air because of the track. Will it come directly over Southern California, or will it come a little bit to the west? That's going to determine how much rain we get and when we get it, but definitely it looks like we're going to get some measurable rainfall this coming week, especially Wednesday night into Thursday morning. You see that here in our 7-day forecast for Los Angeles, Orange County. Warmer today, a little bit cooler tomorrow. We still have those marine layer clouds that will start to deepen even more so into Monday. That'll bring some drizzle possibility or light rain, especially along the foothills Monday morning. And then those temperatures go back into the 60s. Notice how the chance of rain picks up starting Tuesday, Wednesday night into Thursday. A 60% chance right now. About a ½ an inch on average is possible. Some places might get a ¼ of an inch. Some places might get up to 3/4 of an inch, so we'll see. And then it dwindles on out into Friday, about 10% chance, and then temperatures start to slowly climb. Valleys, Inland Empire, many places going to be in the low 90s today. So yesterday places were in the 80s. Now we're bumping it up, and then the temperatures come back down to the mid 60s into Tuesday, warming into Friday, but that chance of rain Wednesday, Thursday. Beaches going to 68 tomorrow, and then the temperatures will climb after we go through the middle of the week with that chance of rain. Mountain areas, we could get some snow this coming week as temperatures go from low 70s tomorrow into 40s, high 40s Wednesday, Thursday. Snow levels at about 6,500 feet. And then our upper deserts here in the 90s the next couple of days, then the low 60s. But Palm Springs, Coachella Valley, 104 degrees. I think it's a Stagecoach this weekend. I am sorry for that.
Oh, man, triple digits. Okay, Tony, thank you. Let's now take a look at some of our headlines this morning.
Now at 5 a.m., a brazen home invasion in Bel Air. Several suspects break into a home, tie up the people inside, then ransack the place. What they got away with and the latest on the investigation.
Plus, frustration is building after a string of robberies on LA's west side. New video and new reaction from business owners this morning.
Plus, you don't see this every day. A man
ABC7. This is Eyewitness News.
It is dark, it is early, it's Saturday morning, and yes, we are all back. Glad to be here. I'm Mark Cotteropolis.
And I'm Irene Cruz, and we begin this morning with some new video of a home invasion in Bel Air. Police say 3 or 4 men tied up the people inside the home, then ransacked the place. No one was hurt, but police say the suspects got away with a lot of cash. This happened just before 1 a.m. at a home on Casiano Road. That's near Getty Center Drive. There is now a large investigation to try try to find the suspects.
And business owners are on edge in Westwood after masked burglars broke into 5 different places within minutes of each other.
Eyewitness News reporter Michelle Fisher has